Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you this finished sketchbook. This is a Khadi sketchbook. You probably have seen me working in this in the last videos, and I have received several questions about it. So this is a Khadi journal, and I love their journals, their sketchbooks. I really enjoy their paper. It's handmade in India, and I've had this and another one in my stash for now a couple of years. And unfortunately, their heavier weight papers are not vegan. Anything above, I asked at Jackson's Art Supplies, and they responded very kindly. Everything above 210 grams, the weight of the paper, is sized in gelatin. But they have a couple of sketchbooks that have lighter weight paper, so I think 150 GSM, and I'm going to order a couple of them probably before this video goes up, so so they're not sold out, you know, just in case you want to try them. But those are vegan, and I'm really excited to play with them. Obviously the lighter paper doesn't you know, it'll buckle more, but I've been really enjoying also sketching on thinner, lighter paper, as long as it's 100% cotton and really, really nice. I really enjoy it, especially for sketching, so I think those journals might be a really fun way, you know, a fun sketchbook to try. But yeah, so this is it. They have a few that are with a hardcover. I really enjoy them. I went through several of them, and yeah, I only have good things to say about them. I love the look and feel of handmade paper. I just wish all their papers were vegan. I hope that happens one day, because their sketchbooks are my favorite. I know they're not everyone's cup of tea, but I would highly recommend trying them out. So this is not really friendly, like video friendly. I didn't buy this for myself. I actually bought it as a possible guest book at like a relative celebration. But yeah, I'm going through my stash now, so I pulled it out, and I really enjoyed playing with it, even though it's a very, very, you can see, wide format. I guess it would be great for landscapes, so really, you know, like a panoramic view, but I don't really do that a lot, and I still really enjoyed it. So yeah, here I was just playing with watercolor. A lot of this has the lessons from my watercolor workbook 2 Color Magic class, which I will link you below. So there was a lot of color play here, and there's a little bit too much of like swatching and that kind of thing for my personal taste. I kind of dislike it when my sketchbooks turn just into like a swatch book. I want them also to have sketches in them. But yeah, what are you gonna do? You know, when you're testing some things, sometimes that happens. But there's still, I think, a lot here. So I don't know if I should zoom in or out because it's a bit far. But I don't think there's anything like really, really important in the last inch of the book. So yeah, this is a lesson from the class. This was preparation for another lesson. Again, here I was playing with, it's also fun to play with this vertically. And yeah, this didn't make it into the class, but I was just playing with some color combination, and I really, really, really enjoyed painting in this journal. So a lot of like loose florals, loose portraits. This is another preparation for a lesson in the class. This is my idea, I think, of a almost perfect color palette. This was some brush play, just playing with my brush. And this was very, very heavy-handedly drawn. And then this is a lesson from the class. This was again playing with some complementary colors. So again, it's a really interesting size to play with, I found. And yeah, just different sketches, just playing with negative painting, some more portraits. Again, there are some vertical sketches here. I was looking at also here some photos from France during lavender bloom season, which is, I love purple, and just fields of purple is something I wanted to see. So I went to France, but it was actually June, so it was, we did see them bloom, but it was just a little bit early. Yeah, so this is again just playing with different color schemes and yeah, playing around. This was really, really fun working in this journal. So a lot of these are unfinished, and then a lot are like color swatches. This was a video that I have on my channel, like my fantasy 24 pan palette. You can see that. And then here's just playing around. This is something I've painted now several times. It's a temple in Kyoto, and yeah, so this was like one sketch, and then I made some other sketches outside of the sketchbook. This is, I made this as part of a video about color mixes, and then this was just some real playtime. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna paint, sketch from my mind without a reference photo and see what happens. And what happened was that I had a lot of fun. This was playing around for the colors of my spring palette, and that's also a video. And then this was also in another video, playing with the Schminke Aqua Drops, and this I did off camera, but it was a lot of fun. So yeah, I really enjoyed this. This is again the Aqua Drops, and I don't know if you can see, but I think when you use them heavily, I feel like you get a bit of flat and kind of dead look to the color. So I think they really need to be watered down. But yeah, that's my finished sketchbook. I already started the other one that I have like this, and I'll probably order the lighter weight journals because I really enjoy them. Khadi has different sizes, and they also have really, really big ones that only have soft cover, but they're like huge. They're over 30 centimeters. I have a video of sharing that one that I filled. I love those. I had so much fun painting them. Again, if they were vegan, I would totally stock up on those because I just think they're the most fun. I think the Stillman and Burn are really great quality, but they don't have, they have kind of that serious sketchbook look, and this to me has the handmade, inviting, yeah, just more inviting to me, more appealing look of a sketchbook. So check those out. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you in another video soon. Bye.